Okay.
Oh, hello.
Hello, cutie pie.
Here we go! Hey, what happened?
Okay. Go, go, go!
Okay, let's go!
Huh?
Wow, amazing!
Nope.
Hey, hey, hey!
Huh? Nope.
Come on! Okay. Wow! Congratulations!
Wow, amazing!
Yahoo! Wow! Thank you very much.
Yay, yay!
Here I go!
Goodbye.
Oh, yes! Great!
Oh no! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh my god!
Here I go!
Nope. Help me!
Hello!
I got an idea!
Do-do-do!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Yahoo! Whee!
Oh yeah! let's go!
Bye.
Here I go!
Hello, cutie pie.
Nope.
Thank you very much.
Oh, yes.
Wow, amazing! Okay, let's go!
Goodbye.
Oh no.
Wow, amazing!
Okay. Go, go, go! Yay, yay!
Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, how I wish I could have eggnog all day, every day.
Easy game.
Here we go!
Hello, cutie pie.
Aha! Broer, niemand boeit! Oh, come on! Hooray! Question mark?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Why would he run?
Looks like you didn't do very well.
Come on, step it up! Thanks, Pally.
Hey, Stinky!
Yeah! Whoa! Amazing!
Nope.
Hey, what happened?
Wow, so much heat!
Nice, nice!
Bling bling!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Wow! Congratulations!
Good gravy!
Watch out! Here I come! Come on!
Huh?
Uh-oh!
Oh, I think something is wrong.
You little brat.
Okay, okay.
Going, we're going.
Here I
Hooray! Question mark?
Hey! Come on, step it up. Yeah, let's go.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I am ready to put on a show! Here I go!
Hello, cutie pie.
Here I go!
Wow! Amazing!
Yay!
Huh? Nope.
Okay. Yay! Yay!
Let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Okay.
Hey, hey, hey!
Ooh, let's give a little bit of water.
Okay.
Let's give a little bit of water.
Wow! Amazing!
Come on!
Wow.
Here we go!
Goodbye.
Okay, let's go!
Nope.
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, hey, hey!
Huh?
Very much!
Okay.
Here I go!
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning.
Bingo. Hello, cutie pie.
Hooray! Question mark?
Huh?
Hey, what happened?
Let's go, let's go!
Nice, nice! Easy game.
Nope.
Oh, pretty please!
Respond to a 10-7.
Here we go!
Come on, step it up.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Come on, man.
Come on! Good gravy!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Whoa! Amazing! Okay, let's go!
Okay, okay.
Ho-ho!
Yahoo!
Bye.
Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah!
Bye, have a great time.
Beautiful, Katie.
Ho-ho!
Good gravy!
Huh?
No, 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 no.
Broer, niemand boeit.
Hello, cutie pie.
Wow, so much heat!
Whoa, amazing!
Come on, step it up!
Let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Hey! Oh no!
Easy game.
Yeah, okay. I got an idea! Here I go!
Come on, man.
Wow! Congratulations!
Bling bling! Yeah, let's go.
Hey, hey, hey. Okay, okay.
Fantastic. Thanks, Pally.
Yummy, yummy.
Nicer, nicer. Sir, yes, sir.
Bye, have a great time.
Amazing. Nicer, nicer.
Beautiful, Katie.
Yeah, okay.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Here we go!
Hey, what happened?
What?
Broer, niemand boeit.
Better another day.
Nicer, nicer. Come here, boy.
Yeah, let's go. Ho-ho! Oh, crap! Yeah!
Hooray! Question mark?
Nope.
Oh, pretty please! Oh, no!
Watch out! Here I come!
Wow.
Wow! Congratulations!
Yes, sir!
Yahoo!
Thanks, Pally.
Bye.
Come on, step it up!
Come on!
Stop it, Rod.
Oh,
Easy game.
Bling bling! Wow, so much heat! Let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Bye, have a great time.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Oh, hello.
oh no!
Come on! Okay. Let's go, let's go!
Hey!
Nope.
Wow! Congratulations!
Yeah, okay.
Wow!
Okay.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo.
Whoa! Amazing! Here we go!
Wow!
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Huh?
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2.
Here we go!
Skip to
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning.
You're a great team! Bror, niemand point!
Eisen, Eisen!
Oh! Hello, chubby boy! Now you're chubby, flubby, just like I like. Okay, let's go!
Oh, pretty please.
Better another day.
Easy game.
Wow.
Here we go! Hooray! Question mark? Yeah, let's go. Hey, Stinky!
Uh-oh.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Okay, guy. Thanks, Pally. Too easy. Piece of cake.
You little brat.
Bye.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. Why did you not tell me that Rod and my sister? We're not friends anymore? Better another day.
Bye, have a great time.